a bit special. Guess what is this? Fidget spinner? You say fidget spinner? That's right.
This.
So it's this kind of stuff. It's like the new toy, so famous. So smooth. This one is so smooth.
Yeah. This is
So
mine
we're
one.
gonna do unboxing Fidget.
This is mine one, okay?
So this one says glow in the dark. You see that? So let's open it. Oh, there we go. Look at this. Look, I got it. Oh my gosh.
See?
This looks amazing. This one glows in the dark. Look at this. Oh my god, that's amazing. So yeah.
Teleporting.
So-
Love teleporting. Yeah.
Lame. And I'm gonna have some of M&M base. Good. So my sister just came back. Akila. And this is my sister. Yours. This is my sister. She's very good at makeup. Please don't be stain. Oh, okay. No, she just came back from P5 camp.
Came back from holiday.
Well, yeah. Where's your fidget spinner though? Let's this one.
Come, I show you like this.
Oh, she's doing unboxing as well. Ah, it's nice. Oh wait, why am I doing two hands?
Look. There.
Oh, just run. Ooh, see another view, a good view. I'm gonna set it Instagram as well, but it's at the night, okay? So just be patient.
Tisu dengan air banyak sikit tisu kan.
Just be patient, okay? I'm gonna take tissue because she wants. Apa?
Banyak tisu dengan air juga. Tapi air
Alah, malas ah.
drop kat air itu. Dua. Tiga tu air. Basahkan tisu tu. Basahkan tisu tu boleh tak?
Malas ah. I must do this.
Nah.
Okay, here's what I must do. Oh, I think that's too much. Baby wipes. This is what I said. Ow! She do me like that. So look at this. You can spin here as well. There. This costs $50.90. It's just, it's just $15.90. I mean, it's very expensive for a spinner. I think $8 for a spinner. That's okay. This one is $15. $15.90. This one is $12.90. Mine is the most one. Iza's one is $12.90 as well. This is the packet look like. So.
My one.
As you know, but I see a lot of times this thing. So yeah. Okay, I'm gonna take this. Okay. My favorite. My favorite. So this. So yeah. This one. I'm gonna eat this one and ending this vlog. Hope you guys know. So stay juicy. Say juicy. Bye. Boom. Bye. Oh. Okay, bye.